Stop scrolling! Would you rather have a gaming PC that makes your wallet cry or one that can actually run Fortnite without turning into a toaster? Yeah, I thought so. Today I'm showing you exactly how I built a killer gaming PC for less than a PS5, and no, you don't need to eat ramen for 6 months. Stick with me and I'll spill my budget secrets. Alright, let's get real. You don't need a $3,000 setup to crush 1080p gaming. If you're rocking a $500, $800 budget, here's how you get max FPS for every hard-earned dollar. First rule, spend on what matters. That means CPU and GPU, everything else is just glitter. But what about RGB, bro? Nah, let's talk processors. My go-to? AMD Ryzen 5 5600. 6 beefy cores, 12 threads, and it's cheaper than my last DoorDash order. Or go Intel i3 12100F for the ultimate bargain, just 4 cores, but it'll game like a champ. Now, the GPU. If you buy a GT 1030, I will find you. RX 6600, chef's kiss for 1080p. RTX 3060 used if you want those sweet DLSS frames. Intel Arc A750, kind of the new kid, but it's legit for DX12 games and memes. Let's build. Option 1, super cheap. Ryzen 5 5600, RX 6600, 16GB RAM, and a 1TB SSD. Motherboard? Just don't buy the one named after a calculator, alright? B550 is solid. PSU? 550W, but please, no sketchy brands. Case? As long as it's not made of cardboard, you're good. Total? Around $600. Step up to mid-range and you're looking at Ryzen 5 7600 AM5, RX 7600, or RTX 4060, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and a beefier PSU. Better case too. Treat your parts like royalty. $800 max and you're set for years. How do you save cash? Buy used. GPUs, CPUs on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Just don't get catfished by someone selling totally legit RTX 4090 for $50. Skip RGB. Your PC doesn't need to look like a rave. And don't go wild on fancy SSDs. Gen 3 is plenty fast, but promise me, don't cheap out on the PSU. Bad power supply equals fireworks, and not the cool kind. Also, avoid ancient motherboards and don't buy a GPU older than your dog. Want to upgrade later? AM5 is your friend. 16GB RAM is fine now, but 32GB is just around the corner. And honestly, swap your GPU in 2-3 years and you'll be golden. So here's my deal. Drop a comment with your favorite game or tell me if you're Team Intel or Team AMD. Smash that like button if you dream of 144 FPS. And subscribe because I'm about to build a $200 potato PC. Will it explode? Only one way to find out. Oh wait, you thought that was it? Nah, if you spotted all the memes in this video, comment Meme Lord for a secret shout out. See you in the comments, legends!